Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the derivative. So the first thing, we put about natural log for the both sides. So I will put this one gold here. So we have the formula in here. And the second one, so I will put number 2 go in here because that is about this one. So number 2 in here. So number 2 go outside about natural log. We have b in here. Next, this one that is about this one. So this is about capital 8. This is about capital B. So we have Ln of s plus number 5 minus Ln of s squared plus number 3. And now we have the formula to do the derivative. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about first the derivative of y over y. This one that is about first the derivative of s plus 5. Similar for the next one. So first the derivative of s, we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 2s. Next, we put y go to the right. About y, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.